gave some tips to the players before they started off this semi-finals. Cricketing legend. Well, he's here and he was giving some of the tips to the actors just before taking the field, and showed them a couple of drills, fielding drills. No better than the man himself, Jonty Rose, who had done so well in international cricket. We saw him so many times. There you go, you can see him giving some small bit of tips just before they set off onto the field. It's great to have him, isn't it, Sabah?
Wasn't good enough to stop that one. Goes to the fence. A streaky shot from Rajiv. We have a fielder at the third man, Varun Badola. Not a very happy unit at this stage, the Mumbai Heroes. Runs are coming now from Bulldozers, thick and fast. They need to get a wicket here. That's the only way they can stop the run flow. The Sunny, who's operating now from the pavilion end. He's got pace, so they would wait for Sunny to pitch short or to bowl more fuller to get onto the front foot and play their shots.
He's got a decent action, Sunny Singh, and he bowls at a decent pace as well. He was held back by Sunil Shetty, the captain. That's up in the air, but goes to third man again, and they pick up a single this time. Varun Badola took the new ball with Ritesh Deshmukh, and one of the reasons was they didn't want to provide some pace to Rajiv and Bhaskar.
So Janelia D'Souza is there to support Mumbai Heroes. In there and over the top. Once again a very good blow from Dhruv. Extremely powerful, very forceful hit off the front foot from Dhruv this time.
Well, what a shot. What a shot by Dhruv. Just the kind of length which is required to play that shot, and he has no apprehensions going over the top. He's been the aggressive 27 of just 17 deliveries with 2 boundaries and 2 massive sixers over mid-off. That's the preferred area when he goes over the top.
Good work, good cricket by these two. He struck a boundary, then played the soft hands to get that single for his side. It's a combination of explosive stroke play from these players, as well as some extremely judicious running between the wickets. Very fast, both these players. So there is pressure now on Mumbai Heroes. Misses that one, dot delivery. So after 6, it's 56 for 1.